Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we'll dive deeper into the delicious dishes, breads, and tea that complete the Turkish breakfast experience. Let's jump right in. Speaking of sweets, the absolute highlight for many people is bal kaymak. This is a combination of thick honey and a rich clotted cream called kaymak. It's so smooth and decadent that it almost feels like eating dessert for breakfast. You spread a bit of each on a piece of warm bread, and the flavors melt together perfectly. Warm dishes you cannot skip. While the cold plates are beautiful, the warm dishes provide the heartiness you need to get through the day. These are often the items that people look forward to the most. They bring a savory, fatty, and spicy element that rounds out the light vegetables and fresh cheeses. Most of these dishes are served in the same copper or cast iron pans they were cooked in. Menemen, the star of the table. If there's one dish you must try, it's menemen. This is a succulent scrambled egg dish made with sautéed tomatoes, green peppers, and spices like red pepper flakes. The eggs are purposefully left a little soft so the whole mixture stays juicy. It's not just a dish you eat with a fork. Instead, you'll want to tear off a piece of fresh bread and dip it right into the pan to soak up the sauce. Sucuk and eggs for meat lovers. For those who crave meat in the morning, sucuk is the answer. This is a dry, spicy Turkish beef sausage that's heavy on the garlic and cumin. It is typically sliced into rounds and fried until the edges are crispy. Cooks often crack eggs directly over the sausage, allowing the yolks to mix with the spicy oils released during frying. It's a bold, savory kick that wakes up your taste buds instantly. The roll of fresh bread and infinite servings of tea. Bread is more than just a side dish in Turkey. It's a tool for eating. You'll see baskets piled high with different types of doughy goodness. Simit, a circular bread covered in toasted sesame seeds, is a crowd favorite. It's crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside. You might also find pied or thick slices of sourdough. Every item on the table is meant to be eaten with or on top of this bread. Bread type. Description. Best paired with simit. Sesame crusted circular bread. Cheese and olives. Pied. Soft, flat leavened bread. Menemen and honey. Asma. Soft, buttery pastry roll. Jams and clotted cream. Gözleme. Thin dough with savory fillings. Herbal tea. The wide variety of breads ensures that no two bites are ever the same. Whether you're scooping up eggs or spreading thick cream, there is a perfect crust for every task. Sipping Turkish tea from tulip-shaped glasses. While coffee is famous in this part of the world, tea is the true king of breakfast. You'll rarely see someone drinking coffee while they eat. Instead, dark, strong tea called chai flows constantly. It's brewed using a double teapot system where the top pot holds a concentrated tea and the bottom holds boiling water. This allows you to customize the strength of your drink. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.